So I'm here with Amir from BrothersKeep over at CyberTech. So what does BrothersKeep do? Great name.
Oh, thanks. We do a few things. One of the things we do is penetration testing for SaaS companies, applications, infrastructure testing for financial institutions, companies like that. We also work in auditing. So we're doing a lot of manufacturers auditing now. There's new cybersecurity regulations in Europe, the 18031 regulation specifically, a few other regulations like the CRA, and software and helping clients declare that they're in conformity to these new regulations.
Nothing sexier than name-dropping European regulation names.
Yeah, acronyms. People love acronyms.
Yes, they do, right? Yes, they do. So what's going on in the world of pen testing? How has it evolved in the last couple of years?
Well, in the last year, things have really changed with AI, obviously. In a nutshell, until now, there's been certain things that you could automate, but that you still needed a person in there for the higher level tasks. Now, that's already beginning to change. There's still certainly people bring a very unique angle that we can't completely emulate, but more room for things to be automated than there was a year ago.
Tell us about good governance. What good governance in the way that you can leverage as much AI and technology to save resources and scale productivity, and at the same time to ensure you're not basically undermining yourself?
Yes. So as far as governance, excellent question. You got to put a lot of guardrails in place because the AI, if you don't do that, then you're going to have to answer auditors at some point. Potentially, you have to explain either your actions or inactions. And if you're using the AI in a black box kind of way where it took all kinds of actions where you didn't necessarily give the proper permissions or where you can't document exactly why certain things were done, that could open you up to certain kinds of liabilities. So we're working on ways to make sure that everything is trackable. That AI is not used as a black box kind of tool. Kind of transparency. I'd say that's one of the important things.
What are you going to be working on now, like going forward with the technology?
As far as our tools that we're developing, we're working on audit tools that both take advantage of the new AI capabilities, but also make it all clear where the AI stops and where human judgment comes in. Everything's documented. We're also working on that in the pen testing world. And I could say it's just never been a better time to be excited about this kind of tooling. If you're that kind of person that gets excited about it, because it's like each of us is given basically a $5 million R&D department now at our fingertips. Question is, do we have the imagination to take advantage of it?
Amir from BrothersKeep, thanks for being on Israel Today.
Pleasure. Thank you.